Um, medyo, medyo kinakabahan ho ako kasi I'm not expecting this na soon magiging, iba kasi yung dating sales master, pero Sharon, it's really, for me, it's a big deal and hindi madali. So, before anything else, I would like you to introduce first. I'm Leonora Giogio, a new Sharon Master of Las Piñas Victory Center. Before I kwento about my journey, my background, I just want to tell you about my background. So, I've been in the field of education for 20 years. And then, after that, nagkaroon ho ako ng chance na mag-work sa hospital for 5 years. And okay naman, everything is stable. But how I met the atomy. Alam niyo po, I have a neighbor. Ang kulit-kulit niya ho. Lagi niya sinasabi, be a member. Be a member of atomy. Hindi ko po to alam. But, sabi ko, sige, pinagbigyan ko po. So, sa sobrang kulit niya, na para talagang mapapa-oo ka na, sige, I will gusto ko nang maging member. And then, sinabi niya sa akin na, ngayon nararamdaman ko na I really appreciate how na hindi niya ako pinabayaan hanggang sa masabi kong, oo, magiging member ako. And ngayon ako ang makulit para sa mga taong namimit ko para sa atomy. Alam niyo ba, my first product, why atomy? It's because of the beauty products that is start of my journey. Kanina ho, marami ng explanation about the beauty products. And dahil dito sa beauty products na to, I felt that it's start of my journey. Why? Because my friend and co-workers continue ordering these beauty products. Then, of course, syempre, hindi mawawala si Hemohim. Hemohim, bakit? Because of the Hemohim, it also helped my family. Kung mahal nyo ang pamilya nyo, lagi ko naririnig na dahil sa Hemohim, lahat gumagaling. Yes, it's true. Ako na rin ho ang magte-testimony. Because my parents also sick, especially my father been suffering for asthma. And my mother's been weak. Pinasubok ko sa kanila ang Hemohim, and it helps talaga sa kanila to improve the strength and the immune system. I want also, wala po yung ating, I want also to give credits to all my sponsor in Canada for not giving me up, heartedly supporting me all the way down, at malaking pasasalamat ko na I met them and being part of the team, giving me lots of inspiration, supporting emotionally, and always have a positive mind. Importante po ang commitment and discipline. Yes, it's very important. Commitment to achieve our goal, commit your time and effort sa lahat na magagawa natin dito sa Atomy. Discipline, yes. This is for me a significant milestone in my journey in Atomy. As I can say, hindi madali. Marami pong ups and down, rejection. Kahit nga yung mga close friend ko pag nalamang mag-aalok ako ng Atomy, hindi nila alam at sila mismo ang lumalayo. But to think now, sila na ngayon ang tumatawag sa akin. So, I never give up. So, ito ang aking sa inyo, don't give up, never. Continue your journey and create a wonderful story of success that someday will be the guidance for the people who wants to start their journey tungo sa tagumpay. Mabuhay tayong lahat. Thank you.